Hello again, everybody. This is Matador from freetradingvideos.com. Awesome to be back at the helm here with you guys. It's Tuesday, September 1st. Still, it's right around noon Eastern Standard Time. And after a brief run-up, perfect gap fill, we saw a pretty nice sell-off right at this resistance. That makes a lot of sense. The degree of which the sell-off was going to occur was not known at this time, but we did get 100% retracement back to the 102 area, and then a further sell-off, which is something we had warned about this morning. And if you look at a 3-minute chart, even if you were to take away that pre- and post-market data, let's do that right now to clean this up. You'll see that here's the gap fill from yesterday, boom, to the penny. Nice sell-off, a little bit of a higher swing low, lower swing high, something to watch out for. And then we got this retracement, huge sell-off. Now we're basing on our low right around the $100.50 mark. That actually lines up with an area of support that's past the perfect gap fill of this up gap back here. So that's X% weaker. We're now stalling at this previous swing high, the rising 200 MA on the 60-minute chart. And so that's what I'm kind of seeing right now. And that's on a 15-minute chart. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bars in a row straight down. So again, be careful how you go short in here. Take a look at the trend readings with me. We'll go to a 3-minute chart, and we are at the gap open, right? So here we are at 1.5, just a couple tests below 1, but mainly spending the majority of the day at 1.5. Now we're at 2.5. A little bit oversold in this area at 3.5 to 4, but here we are. That's a lot of volume flowing into stocks on the decline. The trend Q finally corroborating 1.8, nothing to sneeze at, and the VIX, huge run up. So all three broad market internals, and there are others as well, but the three big ones are all corroborating that we are experiencing weaknesses real here. This is nothing to sneeze at again. So when I look at the spiders, grain of salt going short in here again after an extension to the downside, but we are putting in a stall now. So if you're looking to go short, wait for that to resolve, realize what you're trading into, and if you're looking to go long, realize you're about to catch a falling knife, and be careful how you go long as well. Somebody had put in a comment. I really like that. I said be careful going short and be careful going long. Does that mean not do anything? And I just wanted to respond to that in a video. What I meant by that was take into context what the broad markets are doing. And then if you're going to trade individual stocks layered on top of that broad market action, that's how I would look for relative strength or relative weakness going forward, and realize that if I do take a short trade in this area, that I am trading short into an area that's already extended on the broad markets. So I'd be a little bit more aggressive about how I took profits. If I was going to go long right now, realize that I'm doing it with all the broad market internals against me, right, and catching a falling knife as well. I can still do that in a relative strength stock. I would just be, again, a little bit more aggressive about how I took profits into resistance areas on that individual stock. That's what I meant by that. Of course, doing nothing is also a choice. It's a decision that you can make, and sometimes sitting on your hands is one of the best decisions. But that's what I meant. So very good. Hope you're all having a great morning. So far, it's been some great market action in here, and I look forward to talking to you around 4 o'clock Eastern Standard Time for the close.